hold on to him here and let him kind of. Oh, he went right off. Awesome fish. Woo! Not one to keep, but one to be proud of. All right, let's see if I get anything else right here. Big bowl swim through. You never know. Oh. Ah, no, it just came off. Did it? No, it's just swimming. It's just swimming. I think it's a drum. It's swimming a lot. Not my other line. Not my other line. Good sized drum. I need to get some new gear, y'all. This reel, I really put it through. That is a little drum. This is a little drum. All that fight. My goodness. Come here, little guy. Ah. You put up a lot of fight.